Welcome back to day 7. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Ever wonder why clips in Final Cut Pro snap together and never leave gaps? That's the magnetic timeline, and it's designed to make you a faster editor. Let's break down how it works in less than 3 minutes. The main track in Final Cut Pro is called the primary storyline. Think of it as the backbone of your video. When you place clips here, they automatically stick together. If I select a clip in the middle and delete it, watch what happens. The other clips slide together to close the gap. This prevents you from accidentally leaving black frames in your video. The same thing happens when you rearrange clips. If I drag this last clip and drop it between the first two, everything else just makes room for it. No mess, no gaps. But what if you want a black screen for a moment? You can't just leave a gap. Instead, you need to add a gap clip. Go to Edit, Insert Generator Gap. This creates a black placeholder that acts like any other clip. Understanding the magnetic timeline is key to editing quickly in FCP. Now that our video clips are in order, it's time to add some text. In the next video, we'll learn how to add basic titles. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 8.